Hi everyone, welcome to the live stream. I'm Nina. Today we're going to talk about some really practical things when it comes to purchasing preschool furniture. Whether you're opening a brand new center, expanding your classrooms, or replacing old furniture, I promise you'll hear something useful today. We'll look at some of the most popular children's furniture used around the world, discuss how to make your classroom safer and more beautiful without increasing your budget, and I'll share a few tips to make purchasing easier and more cost-effective. And of course, there's a special offer for our live stream viewers, so stay until the end. First, let me ask, where are you watching from? Is your school building new classrooms or upgrading existing ones? Drop it in the comments so I can tailor my recommendations. Now, I know one of the biggest worries when working with a new supplier is, what if the products look different from the pictures? We totally understand that because many of our current clients actually switch to us after facing that problem with other suppliers. Right now, we work with Montessori school chains in the US, early learning centers in Canada, and smaller preschools in Australia and New Zealand. They stick with us for a few key reasons. Safety: every edge is rounded and smoothed so kids won't get hurt if they bump into it. Co-friendly: we use food-grade water-based paint that meets ASTM F963 in the US and EN 71 in Europe. It's free from heavy metals and formaldehyde, and has no strong smell. Durability: many pieces last 5 to 6 years or more, so you don't have to replace furniture every school year. Customization: we can match your school's theme with custom sizes and colors for a coordinated classroom look. By the way, do you prefer a more natural, wood-toned classroom style or bright, colorful classrooms? Comment natural or colorful so I can see your preferences. Many clients also choose to visit us in person. For example, last month a preschool investor from Canada brought her classroom layout to our site. We walked her through the entire process, from wood cutting, sanding, and painting to packaging. She even reviewed our FSC wood certification and paint safety reports. That same day, she confirmed her order and added storage units and outdoor tables. Another client from New Zealand told me it's hard to judge furniture quality online, so she visited, sat in our chairs, pushed our shelves to test the stability, and signed her contract on the spot. If you ever visit, we can even take you to see local schools already using our furniture so you can see the results in real life. Now, let's look at a few popular products. First is our children's chair. Comes in 3 sizes for ages 2 to 6. Solid wood frame, ergonomic backrest, very stable, no wobbling. All edges are rounded, and both the wood and the finish meet ESER level environmental standards, with extremely low formaldehyde emissions. Colors and logos can be customized, and many chains order hundreds at a time. Second is our open storage shelf. Perfect height for children to take and put away their own things. It has wheels at the bottom for easy movement, and the panels are also E0 grade. Paint passes EN 71 testing, no odor, completely safe for kids. Third is our preschool table. We have rectangular, square, round, and modular designs. Tabletop is waterproof and stain-resistant, just wipe and it's clean. The legs are height adjustable, so one table can serve multiple age groups. The surface material meets EU REACH standards, no harmful substances. Which do you think suits your classrooms better, round tables or rectangular tables? Comment and let me know. Now, a lot of first-time buyers worry about MOQ being too high. Many of our products start from just 10 pieces and you can mix models. Shipping being complicated, we offer FOB, CIF, and DDP, even door-to-door delivery. Choosing products taking too long. Send us your classroom layout and we'll prepare a matching product list and layout plan in 48 hours. Sample costs being wasted, we can deduct your sample cost from the final order. Today, if you send an inquiry during this live stream, I'll personally prepare a complete product catalog with pricing, a classroom layout plan customized for your school, a sample shipping discount coupon, and a special order discount code. Furniture isn't just a one-time purchase, it's the start of a long-term partnership. We want to help you create classrooms that are both beautiful and safe so children can grow in the best possible environment. If you're ready to purchase, click Send Inquiry.